Hi, this is Architect David Barcelona. Welcome to Orchida, where you will learn anything and everything about construction. For this episode, we will be talking about Tagalog terminologies. Although the whole video will be in pure English for the non-Filipinos to also learn Tagalog terminologies. Lastillas or halo is the mixture of cement and gravel. This is the most basic and primary mixture of cement. It is composed of sand, either gray or brown, and gravel, coarse gravel, meaning to say these are size 2 inches up to 1 inch. And obviously you need cement. And you just add water to it and start mixing it. Larga masa is the concrete slab. This is where you will use your lastillas or halo to come out with your concrete slab. Paupo or mortar. This is a different mixture because you will only use fine sand or fine gravel and cement. The paupo is used when you are laying down bricks or CHB. Staka or stake. It's either made out of wood, PVC conduits, or even iron rods. This is marked on the side to know where the initial excavation will be, whether it is going to be for foundation works or for any other excavation works to be done on site. Andamyo or scaffolding. It's either made out of wood, sometimes it's made out of bamboo, as you can see in most Hong Kong construction sites, or steel. Rarely do you see any aluminum type of scaffoldings. This is located in the interior or exterior of the building, and it is used by workers to access high areas. Halige or poste, in English, column. It can be either made out of wood, concrete, or steel. Sapo or gear. In the olden days, they used wood, but nowadays you use steel. This is for the initial layout of your framework for the walls. Biga or beam, and gililan or girder. In the olden days, the girder is located on top of the column or the poste, wherein the beams are now connected to the girder themselves. But with the advent of new technology in structural, they usually disregard the girder and just place the beam on top of the column. Kilo or truss. This is commonly used or known as part of your framing system for the roof, but it is also used in bridges. For trusses, you now have different parts. First of all, you have the tahilan or the top cord. Then the barakilan or the bottom cord. Then the reostra or purlina, which are the purlins. The purlins is where you install the actual roof finish. Never ever install your roof finish on the top cord. You should always have a purlins to install your roof finish. Cinturon, which is the collar plate or the collar tie. Although it is rarely used, but this is used to strengthen the trusses. Cenepa or fascia board. Usually this is made out of wood. If you're standing down below and looking up, the cenepa will now cover the underlay of the trusses, meaning to say you won't be able to see the framing already. The second use of this is where you will install your gutter system. Sahig or suelo, which is the flooring itself. Again, please do not mistake this for just the plain concrete slab or plain backer board for the flooring, because the suelo is the actual finished flooring. Siroho or endworks in floor tiles, wall boards, and ceiling works. The reason why it is called Siroho is because it is the end of the tile works, meaning to say when they start laying down the tiles, they start from the center of the room expanding outwards. When you reach the end of the floor, you will have a small remaining space wherein you will just have to cut the tiles to fit it. That is what a siroho is. Hardinera or open stringer. This is the structural element of the stairs itself. It can either be a single stringer, single open, or a double open stringer. As you can see in the picture, that is where you will start installing the threads of your stairs. Madre de escalera, which is a closed stringer. This one, you use two pieces of stringers, it's either wood or steel, and you sandwich the threads in between these two. Baitang or takip silipan is the riser, while the apakan is the thread itself. Gabay or handrail. This is installed above the stringer, wherein it will guide you as you go up the stairs, although there are some stair designs that have no handrails. Pasamano is the window sill, which is the bottom part of the window. Sombrero is the window head, which is the upper portion of the window, while HAMBA or Jamb are the sides of the window. Pilarete is the vertical studs. This is used as the framing of the wall, while pabalagbag is the horizontal studs. Tabique is the external sidings. In the olden days, you only use wood for external sidings, while nowadays, you can see the various finishes that you can install for your externals. Bisagra are the hinges. It's either the door hinges or cabinet hinges, while pierno is the bolt, which is either used as structural membranes or used in the structural connections in the structure. Planchuela is the wrought iron straps. In the olden days, they used wrought iron for hinges or for strapping. Now they only use this for architectural finishes. Haspe is the wood grain, while the bandeja is a paneled door. In the olden days, all of the doors are paneled, meaning to say these are thick pieces of wood assembled together to form a door. Moldura is a molding. This is usually located on the upper portion of a space or a room, wherein it is used to cover the termination between the wall and the ceiling. While muñeca is varnish. It's either used to varnish your sidings or your doors. Rebocada is a scratch coat. It is a very rough concrete finish. This is used as the initial coat before you start putting in your tiles. while palitada is a smooth finish, which is a plaster. It is used as a final wall finish. Piqueta is patchwork on masonry, while costurada is the plastered course. This is used for brick wall finishes or CHB finishes. Viento is the spacing or gap. Usually, this can be found in tiles. You can buy tile spacers to come up with the spacing for your tiles, although some contractors just use a 1-inch nail as their tile spacers. Baldosa is cement tiles, while ladrillo are cement bricks. Nowadays, you can buy formworks to come up with different designs for your cement tiles. Click the subscribe button to discover all the other videos in this site. Click the notification bell to be notified about new videos that we post. Press the like button to share this video to your friends. If you have additional comments, please post them down below or at our Arkida Facebook page, and I will answer all your queries. Thank you.